Yo, what's up? I'm Joe Jarvis. I'm currently a little sick in California filming a split video with Isaac. So I just thought I'd run you through my newest build. So to start, we have my new Jarvis frame. This one's the blue funk version. It also comes in ED black. Head tube stays at 75.5. The chainstay sits at 13.15 slammed, and then if you're a little bit taller or have big feet, you can run it at 13.5. It's a no frills kind of frame. I don't know, we don't have the ICS wishbone anymore. It's going to be slightly cheaper for you guys to buy. I run 9.5 Federal assault bars, the top load session stem, the assault forks in black too, and then I just actually started riding 16mm offset. Yeah, it's a little different. It's a small bike for a big man. 2 Federal Neptune tires in 2.35. These are my saving grace. I won't ride anything else. The aero rims, the Federal aero rims. I've been riding these things for a minute and I've not bent one or broke one yet. Stance V2 hubs. So these are the oversized hubs. Fucking bulletproof, bomb-proof. 4 4.5 Federal plastic pegs. Federal seat and post. New seat coming soon. And then down here, this is Pentra Parts Co. Yorkshire Dale sprocket. Vice cranks in 165mm. I like my bike it's like a boat, man. Short and wide and fat and tall, but it's small. I think the whole build's 99% Federal. So the frames just went worldwide. They just landed on the Federal site, so www.federalbikes.com. You can also get these at skatepro.uk or EU. And probably any good bike shops, you can find these things. Any of the new Federal range will be at every good bike shop.